Horizontal regression analysis helps you generate smooth horizontal alignments for linear infrastructure projects using existing survey data. Civil 3D analyzes measured points along an existing path and calculates tangents, curves, and transition spirals that best fit the surveyed conditions. Using the horizontal regression analysis Vista, you can review regression-generated alignments and refine results using tools for denoising data, adjusting spiral sensitivity, and defining the maximum acceptable curve radius. Once optimized, the results can be used to create new alignment geometry for railways, roads, highways, and pipelines with minimal deviation from real-world conditions. Civil 3D 2027 introduces several enhancements to the horizontal regression analysis workflow to help you make more informed decisions about alignment geometry. A refined, modeless interface allows you to edit and evaluate alignments directly in the drawing using alignment layout tools. A new alignment preview displays in real time and is linked to the curvature plots and segment table, enabling you to inspect and validate regression results as you refine the alignment. An optional, pre-trained machine learning-powered detection method can also be used to generate more consistent regression results when analyzing complex survey data, and additional updates enhance stationing consistency and data accuracy.